Think staying in a five-star hotel in Phuket has to cost a fortune? Think again. I searched through dozens of luxury resorts to find the five cheapest five-star hotels in Phuket for 2026 that still deliver incredible pools, stunning beaches, and luxury experiences without the luxury price tag. Make sure you stick around until the end because the number one hotel offers unbelievable value, and most travelers completely overlook it. Number 5. The Pullman Phuket Arcadia Nai Harn Beach, one of the best value luxury resorts in Phuket. Perched on a hillside overlooking the crystal clear waters of Nai Harn Beach, this five-star resort offers a peaceful escape away from the island's busiest tourist areas, making it perfect if you're looking for a more relaxing holiday. The resort features spacious, modern rooms and suites, many with private balconies offering stunning views of the Andaman Sea or the lush tropical gardens. If you want to make your stay even more memorable, you can also upgrade to one of the private pool villas for an even more luxurious experience. When it comes to facilities, Pullman really delivers. You'll find two spectacular infinity pools overlooking the ocean, a fully equipped fitness center, a luxury spa offering a range of relaxing treatments, and several restaurants and bars serving everything from authentic Thai cuisine to international favorites. Plus, with direct access to Nai Harn Beach, you're only a short walk away from one of Phuket's most peaceful stretches of white sand. One of the biggest reasons this hotel makes the list is the value for money. Although it offers the service, facilities, and atmosphere you'd expect from a premium luxury resort, room rates are often surprisingly affordable, especially if you book in advance or travel during the shoulder season. If you're looking for a relaxing five-star getaway with incredible ocean views, excellent amenities, and a quieter location away from the crowds, the Pullman Phuket Arcadia Nai Harn Beach is a fantastic choice. But if you think this resort offers good value, wait until you see the next hotel on our list. It gets even better. Number 4. The Paradox Resort Phuket. This is a five-star beachfront resort located right on the beautiful sands of Karen Beach. If you want to be close to restaurants, shops, and nightlife while still enjoying a peaceful luxury resort, this is one of the best value options on the island. Prices typically start from around $65 to $120 per night, depending on the season and room type, making it an incredible deal for a genuine five-star beachfront stay. During the low season, or if you book well in advance, you can often find even better rates. The resort is set within lush tropical gardens, giving it a secluded feel despite being just steps away from Karen Beach. Guests can choose from spacious modern rooms, private cottages, or even luxury villas, many featuring large balconies with views of the gardens or the ocean. When it comes to facilities, Paradox Resort has everything you'd expect from a premium resort. There are multiple swimming pools, including a huge lagoon-style pool surrounded by palm trees, a fully equipped fitness center, a relaxing spa, tennis courts, and several restaurants and bars serving both authentic Thai dishes and international cuisine. One of the biggest reasons this resort ranks so highly is its location. You're just a short walk from Karen's lively beachfront, local markets, cafes, and nightlife, making it easy to explore without needing taxis for every trip. It strikes the perfect balance between convenience and relaxation. For travelers looking for a luxurious beachfront resort with excellent facilities, an unbeatable location, and fantastic value for money, Paradox Resort Phuket is hard to beat. But somehow, the next 3 hotels on this list manage to offer even more luxury for an even lower price. So let's move on to number 3. Number 3, Diamond Cliff Resort and Spa. The Diamond Cliff Resort and Spa is a stunning 5-star resort perched on the hillside between Patong and Kalim Beach. Combining breathtaking panoramic views of the Andaman Sea with luxury facilities and surprisingly affordable prices, it's one of the best value resorts in Phuket for 2026. Prices typically range from around $70 to $130 per night, depending on the season, room category, and how far in advance you book. If you're flexible with your travel dates, it's not uncommon to find even lower rates, making this resort an incredible bargain for a 5-star stay. The resort offers a wide selection of spacious rooms and suites, many featuring private balconies with spectacular ocean views. If you're looking to make your trip even more special, some rooms include private plunge pools or oversized jacuzzi tubs, giving you a luxury experience at a fraction of what you'd expect to pay elsewhere. One of Diamond Cliff's biggest highlights is its impressive facilities. Guests can relax in 2 large swimming pools, unwind at the award-winning spa, work out in the modern fitness center, or enjoy a variety of restaurants serving authentic Thai cuisine, fresh seafood, and international favorites. The resort also features beautifully landscaped tropical gardens that create a peaceful atmosphere throughout the property. Its location is another major selling point. You're just a few minutes from the lively nightlife, shopping, and entertainment of Patong Beach, yet the resort sits far enough away to provide a much quieter and more relaxing environment. It's the perfect balance between convenience and tranquility. For travelers looking for incredible ocean views, luxury amenities, and easy access to Phuket's most famous attractions without paying premium prices? Diamond Cliff Resort and Spa is an outstanding choice. But if you think this resort offers amazing value, wait until you see our top 2 picks. The next hotel delivers an even more luxurious experience for an even more surprising price. Number 2, Wyndham Grand Nai Harn Beach, Phuket, a luxurious 5-star resort that's quickly become one of the best value stays on the island. Located just a few minutes from the stunning Nai Harn Beach, this modern resort combines elegant design, premium facilities, and surprisingly affordable prices, making it an excellent choice for couples, families, and anyone looking for a relaxing escape. Prices typically range from around $60 to $110 per night, depending on the season, room type, and how far in advance you book. Considering the quality of the resort and its 5-star facilities, it's one of the best luxury bargains you'll find in Phuket. The resort features stylish, contemporary rooms with spacious layouts, comfortable king-size beds, and private balconies overlooking either the lagoon-style pools or the surrounding tropical gardens. For an even more luxurious stay, you can choose one of the pool access rooms, allowing you to step straight from your terrace into the water. One of the standout features of the Wyndham Grand is its incredible swimming pools, which weave throughout the resort to create a relaxing tropical atmosphere. Guests can also enjoy a full-service spa, a modern fitness center, several restaurants serving Thai and international cuisine, poolside bars, and dedicated facilities for families traveling with children. Nai Harn Beach is widely considered one of Phuket's most beautiful beaches, known for its soft white sand and crystal clear water. You're also just a short drive from Yanui Beach, Promthep Cape, and some of the island's best viewpoints, making it the perfect base for exploring southern Phuket while avoiding the crowds around Patong. If you're looking for a modern 5-star resort with outstanding facilities, beautiful surroundings, and incredible value for money, the Wyndham Grand Nai Harn Beach, Phuket is an easy choice. And finally, taking the #1 spot as the cheapest 5-star hotel in Phuket for 2026 is Splash Beach Resort Phuket. If you're looking for the absolute best value luxury stay on the island, it's hard to beat what this resort offers for the price. Room rates typically range from just $55 to $100 per night, depending on the season and how early you book. That's an incredible price for a genuine 5-star beachfront resort, and it's the reason Splash Beach Resort takes the top spot on this list. Located directly on the peaceful Mai Khao Beach, the resort offers spacious modern rooms, family suites, and private villas, many featuring large balconies with views of the tropical gardens, lagoon pools, or the Andaman Sea. Whether you're traveling as a couple, with friends, or as a family, there's an accommodation option to suit every type of traveler. One of the biggest highlights of staying here is the resort's facilities. Guests have access to several large swimming pools, multiple restaurants and bars, a relaxing spa, a fully equipped fitness center, and direct access to the quiet sands of Mai Khao Beach. But what really makes this resort unique is that it's home to Splash Jungle Water Park, one of Phuket's most popular water parks. Depending on your booking, water park access may even be included, adding even more value to your stay. Despite its peaceful beachfront setting, the resort is only around 15 minutes from Phuket International Airport, making it incredibly convenient if you have an early flight or simply want to spend less time traveling and more time relaxing. When you combine the modern rooms, excellent facilities, beachfront location, and incredibly affordable prices, it's easy to see why Splash Beach Resort Phuket earns the #1 spot. It delivers a true 5-star experience at a price that's often lower than many 3- and 4-star hotels on the island. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more travel guides, and let me know in the comments which hotel you choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.